What's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be analyzing gold and sharing my thoughts for this upcoming week with you guys. I don't want to waste no time. Make sure you subscribe, like the video, share this video with your fellow traders, and let's get straight into business. Well, firstly, I would just like to show you guys we had this strong bearish momentum to the downside, right? We had a change of character on the daily. We can see that we have a lot of bearish momentum with no really strong correction, right? With no really strong correction. What price did last week? I saw price mitigating into this fair value gap, right? Well, mitigating 50% of this fair value gap because 50% of this fair value gap was not mitigated, right? So we'll just put that there. And also, I see this as a sweep right there, a liquidity sweep. We can see that as a liquidity sweep on the daily, right? So a liquidity sweep and mitigating 50% of this daily fair value gap. Not only that, we can see we have this demand zone and we haven't really closed below it. So I'd say as of now we are still respecting it, right? So this is what's happening on a daily. We saw a slight rejection off of this fair value gap after sweeping liquidity, and also we are still respecting this demand zone right there. So we can potentially look for longs, but that will depend on a few things as well. So as we go down on the 4 hourly time frame, we just want to see what's going on. What we are doing right now, we are also consolidating, right? We are consolidating right now on the 4 hourly, and I'm gonna mark it out for you guys. We can see this consolidation range, right? So for me, when I'm looking at this, I'd say a breakout out of this range will tell us what price really wants to do, right? What price really wants to do. If we have a breakout to the upside, then we can confirm that we are gonna go up. If we have a break to the downside, then possibilities of us going lower are also valid, right? And then as we look at the hourly, so on hourly, there are two scenarios. There are two ways whereby how you can look at this, right? Firstly, I would just like to mark out this support level that we are seeing right here, right? We can see this is a support level, and we can see price struggle to break through this, right? And then we're also gonna mark out this resistance level right here, right? So we are trading between this was a fake out, and also we had a sweep, right? So that, let's just mark that out as our resistance. So that would be our resistance, right? And then we can see that here we are just consolidating. Like I said, a breakout in this zone, a breakout to the upside would most likely tell us that price might be going to the upside, and a break to the downside is also most likely telling us that we might be going lower for gold, right? But then as you can see, after sweeping liquidity, right, on the 1 hourly, we had that change of character right there. After pulling out and drawing out the Fibonacci, we can see here that we did mitigate into this discount zone. As of right now, it's very interesting to see what gold is trying to do. Right now we are consolidating, right? And if we break this support close below the support, I would look for price to just retest it and possibly continuation to the downside, right? Same as what I'm looking for above. And then as we hop on the 15-minute time frame, I can see this kind of W formation being formed. Right now, I'm keen for buys, but then again, I just want to see how market reacts come Monday and drop a conclusion from that. So from now, I would say a breakout out of this range is what I would wait for. For now, I think we might buy. Reason being, because like I said before at the start of the video, that we didn't really see any proper retracement for this bearish move, right? We didn't see any proper corrections. I think there's a strong possibility of price going up and retracing, correcting itself, correcting this bearish move before going down. So for this week, I might be looking for buys, and then for sells as we mitigate these imbalances that we created right here. Obviously I would be looking at my premium zone for this, for my sales, but obviously right now I'm more keen for buys because of a liquidity sweep and this mitigation, this daily fair value gap mitigation, right? So I am keen for buyers because we also had a hourly change of character, and we are still respecting our discounted zone. So that's really interesting. All right. So for me to confirm my bias, I would need to say breakout to the upside, um, a possible breakout to the upside, and then a retest, and then a continuation to the upside before looking for my sells again. Same thing for my sells. I would wait for price to break below and see what happens, right? But this is just what I'm seeing for gold right now. Yeah, these are my analysis. I'll keep you guys posted on what's happening. If you haven't joined my community, I joined my trading community. Link is in the bio. Join my trading community. Follow me on Instagram. We offer packages, courses for you to enhance your trading abilities. And yeah, I trade live on YouTube daily, so make sure you join me for that as well. So yeah, like I said, let's just be patient, wait for gold to give us a clear indication of what it wants to do this coming week. Then we can take action. I would like a breakout out of this zone to see where momentum really lies. And then from there on, I can possibly make a decision and hopefully take a trade. So yeah, guys, that was it. It's just a short video, nothing too crazy. I hope you guys subscribe, share this with your friends, and then yeah, I'll see you again. Peace out. I can see